2018 Lexus RX 350. 2018 Lexus RX 350 review on. A leading luxury crossover, the 2018 Lexus RX 350 successfully combines quality and style. 4.5-star overall. The 2018 Lexus RX 350 is one of our top recommendations for a luxury crossover SUV. Chief among the RX's appealing qualities is its overall quality. From the premium materials in the cabin to the comfortable seats to the solid construction, the RX gives you the impression the Lexus paid attention to the details. A smooth ride, an easy-to-drive nature and a long list of standard features for a relatively affordable price round out the RX 350's appeal. The RX 350 isn't without a few flaws. The infotainment interface is often distracting to use and is a big letdown when compared to user-friendly rival systems from Audi and BMW. The RX 350 is a little short on cargo space for larger families, too. Interestingly, Lexus has introduced the roomier Throw 350 liters this year to help out. Overall, though, the 2018 RX 350 will be a great choice if you're paying for a 5-passenger luxury crossover. What's new? The 2018 Lexus RX 350 carries over unchanged. The RX 350 is available in just 2 versions, and we think it's worth spending a bit more and upgrading to the F Sport trim. The F Sport, despite its name, isn't as sporty as some vehicles in the class such as the Porsche Macan, but it does bundle several desirable options together, including the adaptive suspension dampers and heated and ventilated front seats. The F Sport also gives the RX a more aggressive look and 20-inch wheels as standard. Trim levels and features. The 2018 Lexus RX 350 is a 5-passenger luxury crossover available in base and F Sport versions. The base RX 350 comes with a 3.5-liter V6 engine, 295 horsepower, 267 pound-feet of torque, an 8-speed automatic transmission and front-wheel drive. All-wheel drive is optional. It's equipped with 18-inch wheels, automatic LED headlights with automatic high beams, rear privacy glass, a power liftgate, keyless ignition and entry, dual-zone automatic climate control, simulated leather upholstery, power-adjustable front seats, a power-adjustable steering wheel, a 402/4 split rear seat and a rear cargo cover. Also standard is a rear-view camera, adaptive cruise control, Safety Connect emergency communications, a suite of drive safety aids. The Safety System Plus package, including lane departure warning and intervention as well as forward collision warning and mitigation with automatic emergency braking, Bluetooth, an 8-inch display screen, a smartphone integrated navigation system and a 9-speaker sound system. The F Sport is our pick in the RX lineup, and it includes sportier exterior styling, 20-inch wheels, adaptive suspension dampers, enhanced engine sound, transmission paddle shifters, unique gauges, heated and ventilated sport seats, leather upholstery and unique interior trim. The F Sport is also available with all-wheel drive. Options are generally grouped into packages with the RX, but there are a few standalone items, too, and availability can depend on the trim level and region in which you live. The premium package is available on non-F Sport models and adds roof rails, auto-dimming side mirrors, automatic wipers, driver seat memory functions, leather upholstery, wood trim and a rear armrest storage compartment. The luxury package, also only available on base RX models, includes the premium package items and adds heated and ventilated front seats, a heated steering wheel, rear door sunshades, upgraded leather upholstery, 4-way lumbar adjustment for the front seats, heated rear seats, power folding and reclining rear seat backs, and 20-inch wheels with your choice of color inserts. The navigation package adds a navigation system, the remote touch tech interface, a larger 12.3-inch display, voice controls, the Lexus Inform app suite and a 12-speaker sound system. Other options include a blind spot monitoring with rear cross-traffic alert and automated braking, a panoramic view backup camera, either a regular or panoramic sunroof, a towing package with an upgraded cooling system, front and rear parking sensors, a hands-free liftgate, upgraded LED headlights with 18 individual LED accent lights, a color head-up display, a heated steering wheel and a 15-speaker Mark Levinson sound system. Trim tested. The RX 350 comes in just 2 versions, although it can be optioned in many ways. The S in this review are based on our full test of the 2016 Lexus RX 350 base model 3.5 liters V6, 8-speed automatic, FWD. Driving. The 3.5-liter V6 and 8-speed automatic make a great team. The RX 350 chassis also steers, handles and brakes with poise and balance unless you push it quite hard. It's engaging enough for most people but stops short of being a truly sporty SUV. Acceleration. The strong 3.5-liter V6 doesn't waste any time when you merge onto the highway or pass on a toll on road, and the 8-speed automatic transmission is a willing partner. It sprinted to 60 miles per hour in 7.4 seconds at our test track. Braking. The brakes give a reassuring and secure vibe in daily use, with a steady response and consistent feel. We did, however, observe more nosedive and pull than expected in our 600 miles per hour panic stop tests at the track. Braking distances were a little longer than average. Steering. The RX responds accurately to inputs, with steering effort that's neither too high nor too low. It nicely isolates road vibrations, too. But it can also feel vague, lacking some of the feedback that helps one judge how much to turn the wheel. Handling. You feel stable and secure in the RX 350, even when hustled on mountain roads. Body roll is gradual and smooth, and there isn't that much of it until you push it hard. It's not a sports car, but it's certainly no marshmallow either. Drivability. The 8-speed transmission delivers smooth and predictable shifts, yet it will still readily downshift as needed in response to throttle inputs. That's an increasingly rare trait in a world concerned with fuel economy. Comfort. It's easy to see the RX 350 as a pleasant place to spend a long road trip. It has comfy seats with available intelligent heating and cooling, the cabin is quiet and serene, and the ride is mostly smooth. We say mostly because this current generation RX favors control over pillowy softness. Seat comfort. We never tired of the sumptuous leather seats, which offer many adjustments and feature excellent heating and cooling with a unique automatic setting. The usual RX seat side bolsters are less prominent than those on the F-Sport seats. Noise and vibration. You won't find much in the way of wind rush or road noise, and the engine sound is refined. It's not that there's no noise at all, it's more a case of fairly low levels that are balanced with one another so no single source of noise stands out. Interior. This easy-to-master cockpit is a spacious and comfy place to pass the miles. Overall it's excellent, but the huge rear entertainment screen should give you pause, and the cargo area isn't as versatile as those of some rivals. Ease of use. The seating position is great, and the controls are easy to use. A nice mix of knobs and buttons. The massive 12.3-inch navigation screen is easy to read, and though the tech interface's remote touch joystick has been improved, it's still not an ideal interface. Getting and jetting out. Neither too tall nor too low, the seat height of the RX is about optimal. The wide opening doors provide easy access, and the door cells are cut in fairly close to the seats. The PowerMRI steering wheel swings away to provide more clearance. Roominess. There's plenty of room up front, even with the panoramic sunroof present. The rear offers copious headroom and elbow room, but knee and toe space can be tight behind a tall driver. Visibility. The view forward and to the sides is unobstructed, and the rear three-quarter blind spot is moderate. The outside rear view mirrors are a nice size. The excellent and optional 360-degree camera system even has a perimeter scan feature. Quality. Although Lexus isn't immune from quality control gaffes, the Japanese brand is so incredibly consistent with overall quality, fit and finish, and detail that you'd be impressed by how well it holds together, even with extensive miles on the clock. Utility. Bold styling comes with a cost: reduced cargo capacity. Bulkier items are less likely to fit, and the rear seat back doesn't fold totally flat. Unless you're looking for max cargo and max luxury, don't consider it a deal breaker. The optional hands-free liftgate is a nice touch. Cargo space. The slanted roofline reduces cargo space for bulky items. It's really just a big trunk with an easy access height. The RX 350 holds 18.4 cubic feet of cargo behind the rear seats, less than most competitors. The 402/040 split backrest can be folded for long items while keeping two seats in place. Towing. The RX 350 is rated to tow up to 3,500 pounds, about on a par with the rest of the class. An optional towing package adds a transmission cooler, along with a heavy-duty alternator and radiator. Technology. Befitting a luxury crossover, the RX 350 offers a generous set of standard safety and convenience tech. A robust list of options also covers a wide range of priorities, including a glorious panoramic sunroof, audiophile sound quality, heated surfaces, and decadent interior trim and upholstery. Audio and navigation. The nice standard 9-speaker audio system includes a CD player, USB, Bluetooth and an 8-inch display. 12 and 15 speaker upgrades and the optional navigation system come with an excellent 12.3-inch display but also the clumsy remote touch mouse-like controller. Smartphone integration. The Lexus Inform app suite includes no common apps and services such as Facebook Places, iHeartRadio, OpenTable, Pandora, Slacker and Yelp. Other services include fuel station and price search and real-time traffic, sports and stock information. Driver aids. Includes a nice complement of standard safety tech and driver aids such as a rear view camera, forward collision warning with automatic braking, and lane departure and lane keeping assist. Helpful upgrades include a surround camera view, blind spot monitoring, and front and rear parking sensors.